Hi, it's Thanksgiving.
Hello.
Hi. Here we are, the Thanksgiving meal.
Katya's first Thanksgiving dinner.
Yeah, that's right. Ukraine, you don't have Thanksgiving.
Yeah, but in Barcelona I had some friends from US that we will.
Really?
In Barcelona.
Yes.
Okay.
Wow, that's great. Your
All right.
second.
Your second Thanksgiving, we got chicken instead of turkey, but there it is. And we're going to sit down and eat, and we are cruising.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving, everybody. And yeah, we are on our way. So, show you just very quickly here on the chart plotter. So, we got to go around this corner and then through the Gibraltar Straits. And then we'll be footloose and fancy free out of the Mediterranean at last. I'll tell you, the Med is a tricky place. So, not my favorite body of water to go sailing on, that's for sure. Well, good morning. Day 2 of the Atlantic crossing from Cartagena, which I think we will say that was really the beginning of our trip. We're looking to get a wind from behind us. We fought a headwind all night, all afternoon, 10 to 15 knots. And then this morning we get up and now we have no wind and fog. I'm out here looking for another boat that's very close on radar, but can't see it visibly, but he should be very close, well within sight of us in that direction. Not finding it. We have a very wet boat from a lot of dew and fog. Going here. Katya's having breakfast. Morning, Katya.
Good morning.
Well, that guy's behind us now. Okay. Good to see the radar from inside. And we've got it zoomed way up so that all that blue clutter is just because we got the gain way too high. We want to see anything and everything that's out here. Gail, say good morning.
Good morning.
We're doing, Gail saved us last night. Katya and I both ran out of gas. Gail did the last watch of the night. So we got some sleep. That was good. Awesome.
Yep.
Yep.
Making breakfast.
Making breakfast. Okay. How's that? Did the stove work? Oh, really? I'll get to work on fixing it right now then. Okay. That's it for now. Fix the stove. Bye. Well, there's our spinnaker. Up in the air. Of course, when the spinnaker's flying, you can't see where you're going. You're gonna have to have radar on, I suppose. Yeah, it's coming. We're learning how to trim it. So is this going to be our last night in the Med? It's not then. Tomorrow night. Tomorrow night will be our last night in the Med. So, yeah. Well, It is just beautiful out here, even though it is very cold. Very cold. Yeah. Anyway. Where'd they go? Oh, there they are. Oh, he's a pretty one, that one is. Oh, look at that. Wow.
Oh, yeah, I'm telling you, their boat is coming here from just something cold. Yeah.
It's like they're leaving us.
Yeah, the left way.
We came to check us out. Jumping back.
Wow.
They're gonna follow us to Gibraltar.
We never saw any dolphins there.
No. Did we?
Look again.
Oh, there he is.
Look, come in here.
Oh,
You can't keep up with them.
they go around, don't they? Oh, look, they're upside down. Oh, look at this. Wow. No kidding. Huh. Coming into Gibraltar. What's today's date? Any idea? Look at the ships.
27.
The 27th of November. Oh my gosh. Time is just flying by.
Dream, ultimate dream, epic Chicago.
True wind speed 11.4 to 13, sometimes 15. Wind on the sails 6 to 8 knots most all night. 3 knots of speed over ground, and that's really good compared to 5.6 knots of speed through the water. We just got a constant current coming from the Atlantic Ocean through the Gibraltar Straits. People talk about this current. Getting out of here is 100 times harder than getting in. So we have been fighting this for 24 hours trying to get to this point. Can't really make it out there very good, but that is the Rock of Gibraltar. I might be able to try night vision, but yeah, well, that's not too bad. I mean, you can make out the rock. So anyway, we're taking our time. It's about almost 6 a.m., Gail?
Yep.
Almost 6. So our sun ought to be coming up in about an hour. We could fire up both motors and blast our way in here, but to what point? We just need fuel and some camping gas, and then we can head on over to the Canary Islands. Anyway, 6 a.m. 27th of November, right? Alright, bye.
Security. Appel à tous, ici étant les trafics. Pour la division du renseignement sur les conditions météorologiques et les conditions de navigation dont le discours de Gibraltar, principal VHF, 79.
Katya's fixing. How did it work? Oh, better.
It's better?
Yeah, we're just literally surrounded by big ships.
This is Shiva.
Okay, give her the gas now. We're clear. Out of the Gibraltar.
Attraverso Cipero, attraverso Shiva, calling il radio. Pasamos canal 81, canal.
Talk about close. Holy crap. Okay, there goes the Rock of Gibraltar. Here's the Gibraltar Strait. And that's that Masu rock. Those two rocks were together until Hercules split them apart. What do you think about that? So we're heading out back into the Atlantic Ocean. I gotta tell you, the Mediterranean is no picnic. It's beautiful, but for under sailing conditions, I don't know. It's surrounded by high mountains, unpredictable winds, high and low pressures that come out of the north, out of England, right through France, down through the middle of the Mediterranean, right in between Spain and France. Creates just unbelievable winds, changes, just constantly. There's no relaxation here. None whatsoever. So, out there is the Atlantic. And I think I see in the far distance, the very edge of the Gibraltar Straits on the left, where we're going to be taking a left going south towards the equator. We may stop in at Morocco in North Africa and hang out there for a bit, wait for a little better weather window. We'll see, but for right now we are leaving the Mediterranean and all of this history, all of these old buildings, all of these old conflicts and wars that have been going on for thousands of years. Europe, what a place. Goodbye.
It is sunset officially now.